Alright, today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified unit with 37,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax and one owner. Alright, I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Nice modern steel metallic in color. We'll go ahead and make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle. Everything looks like it's in good shape. No problems there. We'll make our way across the back end of the vehicle. It is equipped with backup camera. Down the passenger side, everything looks good here. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the inside. Alright, we got the two-tone door panel. We got the black and the gray, the nice cloth insert there. Alright, gray cloth driver's seat. Alright, the cloth's in really good shape. Everything looks good there. It does come with two key fobs. Alright, passenger seat cloth's in good shape too. Alright, it is an automatic. Okay, it's got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Climate control center. CD player. Alright, it does have Bluetooth, and it is equipped with steering wheel audio controls. I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 37,442 miles. Alright, we've had the AC going now for about 10 minutes. Everything's blowing nice and cold there. And it also is equipped with the backup camera. As you can see it there. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Door panel back here looks like it's in good shape, no problem. Go ahead and check out the cloth on the back seat. Everything's looking really, really good. No issues whatsoever. Alright, let me lean back in here and I'll show you kind of the driver's eye view layout of the dash and the console. Everything's in great shape. Let's go ahead and back out of here. I'll get you the trunk storage and the trunk space. Let you see that. Alright, so we can see the carpet's in great shape. Everything's clean. Go and step to the side so you can kind of see the depth of what we're dealing back here. Alright, plenty of room back there. Everything's looking really good. Let's go ahead and make our way back down here. Check out the wheels and tires. Alright, we got 15-inch steel wheels. Alright. Brand new set of tires. Okay, you can still see the writing on them there. Depth on them is fantastic. Alright, once again guys, it's a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified unit. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner. 37,000 miles on here. Alright, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.